So today I'm going to be explaining how to do division with polynomials using long division. I chose a problem from the generator. This is the problem we're going to be using. We're going to do x plus 10 x over 3 plus 15 x 2 plus 57 x plus 70. So the first thing I'm going to do is divide x by x to the third power, and it's going to be equal x squared. So x times x squared equals x to the third power So we're going to do the second part of the equation and do 10 times x squared, which is going to equal 10x squared. So the next thing I'm going to do is subtract x to the third power plus 10x squared from x to the third power plus 15x squared. So the x squared will cancel out, and then now we're going to subtract 15x squared from 10x squared, which would equal 5x squared. Now I'm going to bring down 57x plus 70. X divided by 5x is going to be 5x. So x times 5x is 5x squared. Going to add the parentheses. Bring down that one. And then we're going to do 10 times 5x, which is going to equal 50x. Now I'm going to subtract the 5x squared plus 57x from 5x squared plus 50x. And the 5x squared are going to cancel out. Now we just have to work with 57x minus 50x, which is going to be 7x. And then we're going to go ahead and bring the 70 down. Then you're going to do x divided by 7x, which is going to be 7. So x times 7 is going to be 7x. And 10 times 7 is going to be 70. We're going to put an addition right there with parentheses minus. So now we're going to move it down, and we're going to subtract 7x cancels out. And now we're going to do, this is a mistake, this should have been minus. And then this equals 0. Oh no, just kidding. So this is actually a positive, but the negative, remember, is right here, which is going to make it 0. So now we're going to go back up to the top. Final answer is x squared plus 5x plus 7. That's it. Thank you guys for watching.